Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can save your designs and projects on Canva. So let us get started. Okay, so there are basically two different ways how you can save your designs on Canva. The first option would be to save any changes or progress you make here on your design on Canva. And these changes are saved automatically here on Canva. So for example guys, if I move that element here on that example thumbnail or design, like this for example, you will see this icon at the top, this cloud icon with the check mark, telling you that all changes have been saved automatically. So whenever you return to that design later, for example after logging out and logging in again on Canva, you will be able to resume your work where you left off. So that's one option. You may also save your designs manually. To do that, click on this icon in the top left corner, File, and from that menu below, simply click on Save here to save any changes you have made for that design manually. And last but not least, you may also download your design on your device. To do that, simply click on Share in the top right corner, select Download from that drop-down menu. Here at the top, select your output file format like PNG, JPEG, PDF, MP4 video, and so on and so forth. Select your output file format. After that, confirm by clicking on download here and wait for the download process to be finished so that your design may be saved on your device in the selected file type. And that's it guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you later on our channel.